Hi traders, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. Thanks for stopping by. We're going to take a look at the IBB chart. I'm going to look at multiple time frames to give you an idea of what we're looking at here. If you're not already a member, go ahead and give us a shot. We've got a free 7-day trial. Check out our performance tab. We give daily market alerts, analysis, charts, everything to help you through the market trading day, week, month. We've got everything for everyone. We're going to take a look at the IBB weekly chart. A couple things that I want to point out here. We've got a couple of trend lines here. We've got the slow moving uptrend line right there. A lot of touches here, touch here, a couple touches here, a few touches there. Okay. We've got another fast moving trend line right there that was broken. We've also got another fast moving trend line right there that was broken. And we've also got the downtrend line that we're forming right now. Oops. Okay. So we've got a downtrend line to work with. All right. Something else I want to point out is we held these lows over here, and we are forming what looks to be like a weekly hammer right here. Of course, the close of that candle is not going to be until tomorrow at the end of the day. So we'll see if it actually closes as a hammer or if we'll end up closing on the lows. Okay. We've got some support right here, right around 270. Okay. And that is also, and so that's where we bounced from this morning right here. And we also have from this low right here, we've got the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which is where we bounced from as well. So a number of different reasons to, at the very least, cover some shorts on IBB. I do think it'll get a short-term bounce from here. Of course, that 270 level needs to hold. The next support is going to be from this uptrend line support, which is going to be around 250 or so. So keep those levels in mind. I'm going to cover the hourly chart here. Okay, so we've got this downtrend line that we ended up breaking over today on the hourly chart. Okay. But we're still below. This was somewhat of a bear flag right there. And then we broke out to the downside of that, and then we got rejected right there as well. So looking constructive. I'm not sure if it's going to stay above this downtrend line on the hourly chart, but it certainly did break over it, and it's a really clean look. We've got 1, 2, 3, almost 4, almost 5, 6 touches there, 7, and then we broke over it on the 8th attempt. Okay. So we'll see if it wants to hold that level. We've also got some support from these candles here and these candles here right there, which would match up perfectly with the retest of the downtrend line that we broke over. And I believe it's also a Fibonacci retracement level as well. Yeah, so that'd be about the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level right there. I know there's a lot of lines right there and you might not be able to see it, but it's there. So again, just to rehash, we broke over this downtrend line on the hourly chart. We bounced from a key support and Fibonacci level on the weekly chart. We are above this resistance right here, which is now support, but we are still below this this uptrend line that we retested and failed to break over today. Okay, so definitely has some work to do, but certainly has the makings of at least a little bit of a bounce. We've got a gap up here to fill at about 320. There's a gap up there to fill at about 337. Not really sure we can make it up to there because we've got that downtrend line to contest with on the weekly chart right there. So keep these levels in mind. Let them guide you. Definitely don't be pressing it short down here. If we can get it back up at the retest of this downtrend line, that'll definitely be an area that I'll be looking at. Another thing I want to point out is this was a bear flag right here, as you can see there, and it broke to the downside out of it. Here's the pole right there, and then there was the flag right there, and then we broke to the downside out of that. So got to be careful picking bottoms in this market, but I definitely think that this is a place that could potentially see some bounces near the 280, 270 mark. If it gets down there, that might be a decent shot to take longs. But again, that level needs to hold in order for me to kind of like this for a long. I suspect that we might have another bear flag action like this, back up into the downtrend line, and then we'll get rejected again. Okay, so but definitely a lot of the major trend is going to be down here on IBB and the biotech sector. I believe for quite some time we have some major trend lines that were broken. So definitely the preferred play on these is short, but you got to pick your entries correctly. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and give us a shot. Free 7-day trial. We've got a chat room, private Twitter, daily market analysis and watch list where I give actionable alerts, as well as live actionable alerts in the chat room and the private Twitter, as well as daily educational material. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest that you join us. We'll see you over there.